Hey, so basically I'm gonna draw a nice garden scene. So
Nice.
here goes.
Dude, I don't know how to work your computer.
I can't work like this.
Maybe you just don't try hard enough.
Where were we? So I was about to draw a lovely garden scene.
Can you make it pretty?
I will make it pretty if I can figure out how to change colours. How do you do that?
Just press.
No, but like if I don't like these colours.
Um,
1 second there, folks.
I don't know.
Alright, well we're back. So I'll start with beautiful tree. Right in the forefront. Want to get the shape perfect. It's a really nice tree shape. Branches.
Yeah.
Remember,
Oh my god.
don't be too rigid with your drawing of the tree. Because obviously trees aren't perfect. Like people, really. I like to think of them as organic people.
Okay.
Wooden and rigid.
Because people are organic,
Well, they're carbon based, so they are. Right?
So what are you talking about?
Isn't organic carbon based? Aren't we carbon based?
Yeah.
So we are organic.
How do I paste, motherfucker?
And then I'm just going to colour in the tree. Nice and easy. It's alright if you go out of the lines. That's to be expected. Almost done. The trunk is looking really, really nice. All the way down, happy little tree. I'll do the branches up here. We'll add the foliage in later. Now going to a lovely garden lake. It's just going to span all the way around. And again, don't worry about being neat. And then just colour that in. Just get that. A bit of white
tree
is
looks
good.
like the tree of death.
A bit of white is good. Just shows. It
Are you
gives
trying to copy that artist?
some dimension to the portrait. What? And now we're just filling in the water. Don't be afraid to experiment. Just get it all in there. Beautiful. And now that that's mostly coloured, it's starting to look really great. I'm going to put that foliage in. So just gentle around the trunk. Not too much, because it's autumn. So just get some of that in there. Be rough with it. It's starting to look great. It's looking fantastic. Just colouring all that in there, making it look really great. And just put a few little bits on the ground, leaves that have fallen, some in the water. Now I'm going to make some mountains in the distance. One valley and another one there. And then one up there. I'm going to have the stream running from the valley.
From a glacier.
From a glacier that's melted all the way down, coming
Into
straight into our lake. There, that's beautiful. And I'm just going to put a little cap on it. Some caps on the mountains. Just add some texture, maybe some rocks or boulders there. And almost done. And a few rocks. Some grass. Because obviously it's sea life, so there's going to be grass growing around the edges of water. So don't forget about the grass
That's
there.
very good.
Then we're just going to put some sun. Now, I don't have yellow, so it's going to be a red
Just
sun.
pretend we have an eclipse.
This is the middle of an eclipse. This is the red sun. Obviously no humans in this picture. They couldn't withstand the heat, so they're happy.
Meanwhile, he's surrounded by snow-covered mountains and a glacier. And it's too hot.
That's why
Global
the snow...
warming.
This is the impact of global warming, exactly. Josh, thank you for that. And just put some clouds in.
Fluffy little Z-shaped clouds.
And there we have our beautiful little garden scene. I'll just sign it right in the middle there. Thank you very much for watching.